Hello, today I will show you how to find the volume of the solids using integration. Let's suppose I have a function f of x and I'm trying to rotate it around the x-axis. Rotating the area R, we obtain the following solid, and the volume for that solid will be given by the formula V equals integral from a to b pi y squared dx. If I rotate on the y-axis, then the area A is rotated on the y-axis, then it will be the volume of this shape. And that volume will be given by the formula integrate from c to d pi x squared dy. Let's get some examples to summarize these two formulas. Let's find the volume of the function y equals 2e to the power of x rotated on the x-axis. First of all, let's sketch this function, and the function that we're trying to rotate will form that volume. And that volume V will be equal to the integration of 1 and 3 pi y squared dx. So that's equal pi 2ex squared dx. Integrating that formula, we have that pi between 1 and 3, 4e2x dx, and that's equal to pi 2e to the power of 2x between 1 and 3. Substituting from the top limit, take away the bottom limit, and that's just 2 pi e to the power of 6 minus e to the power of 2 cubic units. Let's get another example where this function, we've been asked to rotate it on the y-axis. For x equals 2, y equals 1 by substituting into the formula, and then y is equal to 4. Let me sketch this function. Then the volume of this shape will be given by the formula v equals integrate between 1 and 4. You can see that the limits are on the y-axis, pi x squared dy. If we rearrange to find the value of x, x will be equal to 2 root y. Substituting, so the volume v is equal integral between 1 and 4 pi 4 y dy. Then I have pi 2y squared, and that is between 1 and 4. Substituting, the volume will be equal to pi times 32 minus 2, which is just equal 30 pi cubic unit. Let's find the volume when the function y is equal to sine x is rotated on the x-axis. So let's sketch. Then I'm rotating this function around the point pi by 2 from 0 to pi by 2 will be that solid. So therefore the formula for the volume will be equal to integrate between 0 and pi by 2 pi y squared dx. So that's integral from 0 to pi by 2 of pi sine square x dx. So therefore integrate from 0 to pi by 2 using the double angles, and then sine square is equal to half minus half cos 2x dx. I can integrate that, so that's equal to pi half x minus 1 over 4 sine 2x from 0 to pi by 2. Substituting, so that's equal to pi times half times pi by 2 minus sine of pi is 0. So the whole term is 0. Minus, substituting 0 instead of x, that's again 0. So that's just equal to pi squared over 4 cubic units. Let's find the volume of this function is rotated around the y-axis. First of all, for each x, I need to find the y. So y, substituting x, that's just 2. Substituting 9, y is equal to 8. Let's sketch this function. And rotating it on the y-axis, we'll find that volume. So that volume V will be given by integration between 2 and 8 of pi x squared dy. Now make x subject to it, so x equals to y minus 2 square over 4. Then the volume V will be equal, simplifying, integrating that, we have that pi over 80 between y minus 2 to the power of 5 between 2 and 8. And that's equal, using the calculator, 97.2 pi cubic unit. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. You don't have to like maths, but put a thumbs up if you like this video.